In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sums and averages in a word table using the formula tool. If you've ever built a table in Word and wished it could do quick math like a spreadsheet, this is for you. Start by placing your cursor in the table cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because Word will insert the calculation exactly where your cursor is positioned. With your cursor in place, go to the Layout tab under Table Tools at the top of Word. You'll only see Table Tools when your cursor is inside the table. In the Data group, click Formula. This opens the Formula dialog, where you'll tell Word what to calculate. In the Formula box, type a formula such as each sum above to add up all the numbers above the current cell, or a average above to compute their average. The equals sign at the beginning is required. The word above tells Word to use all numeric cells in the same column above your cursor. If you want a row total instead, use each sum left or average left, which looks across the cells to the left of your cursor. These directions, above and left, are a quick way to reference nearby cells without selecting them manually. Before you insert the result, you can choose a number format if you want the calculation to display a specific style, like a fixed number of decimal places or a currency format. This is optional, but it helps keep your table consistent and easy to read. When you're ready, click OK. Word will insert the calculated result directly in the cell. You can continue working in your document as usual. If you later change any of the numbers that feed into your calculation, Word won't update the result automatically. To refresh it, right-click the cell that contains the result and choose Update Field. The value will recalculate based on the new numbers. Anytime you edit values in the relevant row or column, just repeat that quick right-click and update. That's all it takes. Place your cursor where you want the answer. Open the Formula dialog from Table Tools Layout. Enter a formula like sum above or average left. Pick a number format if you need one, and click OK. Then, whenever your data changes, right-click the result and choose Update Field to keep everything accurate. With these simple steps, your Word tables can handle basic calculations without switching to another program.